Okay, here's these entirely tier list videos we ever seen. So, if you're not familiar with this show or anything, but it's got these figures made by Japan, sometimes other than Sailor Moon. Well, probably almost. But apparently, torn hearts about this precure tier list about is like even I did a Knuckles approved precure characters. But you might probably notice, but I'll be asking this one question. So even though what is tier, like super tier, A tier, B tier, C tier, and D tier. So anything what we want on any of these precure character tier lists, so they're probably a comment. So let me get started with these. The Max Heart in 2004, made by Japan since when I'm born in 2004. So let me connect this. Here, Black is kind of like the firstborn, the precure in since 2004. Some of these are different. Other ones, the shiny limited. So if I guess you're black, the C tier, D tier, B tier, green tier, something, we'll just give it a C tier. On the next one, Kira White. She knows about her, like pretty much this dress looks okay, and she looks pretty good anyways. Let's give it a C tier. Why not? Um, we'll see you next one. I had this. The Shining Luminum. They know about this thing. Whatever they say. She's okay. Well, just getting the C tier. And not much about Cure Bloom. Um, I don't know when the familiar these, so if you're not familiar with Cure Black, was stuck on a D tier. I don't think I couldn't see this one's anywhere in these. So on the Cure Igret. So if they don't heard it different than Cure White, but that's okay. Probably the C tier. Well, we don't know, so I don't know what I can do. The next one in Cure Dream, they know about her very much. So they know about her. Let's give it as the A tier, very much. Um, the Cure Rouge is like red, roja, rouge, even though it knows about that different color or the outside. We'll get us to this. On the next one, the lemon, Cure Lemonade. So yeah, the Cure Lemonade is kind of cute, I guess. Even knows about these. Oh yeah, about this, but they know about her, so I'll just give it. That's over a while. A while now. Cure Mint. If they don't know about the freely, is much like these. Beautifully, much like Makoto from Sailor Moon. So even though the Akimoto. Oh yeah, I forgot her name. About Akimoto. So let's give it an A tier. On the next one, Akira Aqua. They know I do like her very much. The godlike tier. So Milky Roses they know about her, but apparently very much about it. So if I don't know about her, so I don't know Eggman's got it installed in these ones from here, so anything else about her? I'm probably A tier. So next one, Cure Peach. If they know Princess Peach from Super Mario Brothers, I'm probably thinking, if I'm wondering about her, if they knows about the this cute twin here, or something, so we'll just give it us in the beat here. So if they knows about here Pine actually, it's apparently they did like her very much. I didn't know about this. So probably a couple of beats here or something. Kind of couple. So the next one, Cureberry. They know I do like these very much, but very apparently. So we'll just give it us an A tier. Why not about supposedly if they knows about her. Now the next one here. Haseon. I probably do like her. So God tier for everyone. So let's give it as the God tier. Superbly. The Cure Blossom is kind of uniquely, however. So they knows about this sweetheart, about this something. So if I'm probably thinking what I'm going to do, A tier, B tier, like tier, it's probably B tier. It doesn't matter. On the next one, here Marie. Let's say she's kind of cute. B tier. And the silent Itsuki. The Cure Sunshine. I'm worried about this, so I'd probably be tier or something. So why not? And probably everyone loves Hero Line, and she knows the Hero Line fans always do. Even I did a Silver X Hustle. Well, just giving us an A tier listening. But besides Silver and Blaze the Cat, or Whisper the Wolf, if anyone knows what we call, so on my side, aside least, because I can't see these images on the top, even though somewhat the humility, the Velocity Precure, I honestly, her melody was so freaking annoying, honestly, but if anyone knows about her, or everyone love it, but I probably don't know how this real worried about her ability. We don't have a count. Okay, the next one is here with them. So like me sing is kind of alright, I suppose. If they knows about with this right now, all getting is a beat here or something. So we'll just get you up there. Alright, let's get about these Kirby. Probably these once in developer character since the Corn Hearts 2021. The Gemini Sunrise and Kirby. But I couldn't find anyone that can voice Kirby and Gemini Sunrise Fun Sakurai Tensei 5. Let me get says will give it us the 8 here. Where's the image? I can't see that cover. And I can't see this cover in an iPhone right now because my tablet with the internet doesn't work anymore. Because the other problem is I can't do it over the internet. It's this kind of problem. Anyways, how am I gonna find these? But I don't know about her very much. But I'm just getting us an 8 here with Kirby's or even though some probably gonna change it and they're on his word about this. And so the next one, no, you're the one in the English company was by Saban in Netflix. But apparently, you're luckily, you're happy, which is known as literally on the English. Did apparently these here's something that are sunny. Is one they don't know the beats here. Now the next one here these letter piece behind these but also when I saw these earpiece remakes on the YouTube, but they don't know about earpiece. You might wondering what I'm thinking. So apparently they hear Marge literally and they don't know about the silence, but it's probably A or B something. Well, I guess I give it as a B. Why not? Or something. Yeah. So here beauty letter breeze. Got a pretty awesome in there, isn't it? So they knows about these about her. So if he knows about her or something and like this, if they knows about her very much, we'll just say the A tier right here. Now the next one. Like here are we just know it as like Leonard Force Doki Doki and some like 2013 and something. After decided. So your heart I don't know about her. You don't know about Hero the fun of these. And the mind I drew corn hearts and oh wait, not draw corn. Like Hero Heart. The fun of these they came by corn hearts and YouTube since 2020. Yeah, I don't know about her or something. Okay, the next one's here, Diamond. You know, Leonard Diamond. So, we'll just say the B tiers. So, yeah. And they knows about these. Well, the violet next. And the here Rosetta. Sure, she knows about her. Let's just be here. This your sword or glitter spear. So, if you don't know about this cure sword or glitter spear or spade, if you don't know what we talk about, I'll just say there's just a beat here, right here. So, if you don't know, here is glitters. I'll just say, C's here. Well, kind of okay. But, here is kind of a little annoying. When they don't know about her. Let's see what they next. Now I'm gonna turn this side because I can't see them on the top. The next one is Akira Lovely. And I probably do. So if they don't know about her. No, all the way to the top to Akira Lovely in A tier. So we'll give it as an A tier list. On the next one we had the Akira Princess. She knows about her. And I'm wondering about this. If they knows about her, or actually, there is let's getting on all the way to A tier. So if I guess here honeys, even though honey is where they get a honeymoon, but she don't know. Let's get us a B tier. And this honey, think your honey needs ready for a honeymoon, but I don't know if they got crazy or not. The next one, they cure fortune. Yeah, and they cure fortune. They do like these. We'll give it an A. So they do like very much. I'm probably all the way to the top here. So if they knows about her, I'd probably say the cure flora is mostly likely what I do. And if they knows while I do like me very much, my rolling is very slow. But here's on this. Here Flora is given us is where very much I do like her. So a wildly the godlike tier. That's where godlike. Also here Marine is a godlike tier. It was the god tier themselves because I pretty do. But then here Twinkle, of course. I'm probably A tier, why not? Perfectly timed. Oh, nice. Is really opponent. So even this here, the Scarlet and Lamb